Hi everyone, it's Jason Cohen from the GBTA Meetings and Conventions Committee, back with Kelly Bishop of Elevate Experiences, talking about how we need to plan for the GBTA convention and taking care of ourselves. So in our business, we're always planning for others, but do we plan for ourselves? And what Kelly provides to us is a lot of planning that we need to do for ourselves, right, Kelly?
Absolutely. So I've created a travel care self-planner, which will be available to you, so to use as a template. But so what it is it helps you think about, when are you going to go to sleep? When are you going to wake up in the morning? When are you going to go back to your room to have your quiet time? What are you going to eat? When are you going to exercise? Who are you going to do it with? And so when we think about things like eating, you also want to write in, maybe Monday night you're going to find that chicken. Tuesday night you're going to find that fish. Because those are the items that your body's going to help digest a little bit better, which is going to help you then sleep better. And you also want to think about your alcohol intake. Watch the alcohol intake, everything in moderation. I'm not saying don't have dessert, don't have drinks, but in moderation. And watch the sugary drinks, even in mocktails. Maybe there's not alcohol, but there's a lot of sugar. So make sure that you're kind of paying attention to what you're putting in your body. But it's important to plan it out. You'll also notice on my template, there's some check-ins and self-intentions and reflection, because it's important to set your goals for the week. And I want to hear check-ins if you do set your goals. Who makes it? Who follows it to a T, and who's maybe only off by like 15 minutes, because every bit of it that you hit is a win. So go get it.
We got to plan. We're planning for others. We got to plan for ourselves. More tips coming soon.